Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm to share with you an app that you can use to earn money online just by playing games, and you earn points which can be converted into cash. You can find it on Play Store. The name of the app is called Big Sport. So after you have signed up, you will ask to select any 3 games of your choice, and thereafter you can be able to log in. So daily you get rewards in form of coins that you can use to play games. So you have to log in into the app daily to earn coins which you use in playing the game. The minimum coins you to play a game is 25 coins. After which you earn diamonds. The diamonds are converted into the cash. So for this game I selected the fruit shop. So I'm playing it, and you see play with 25 coins. And if I earn 50 points, I will receive 1 diamond. You can also refer people to the app, and when they install the app through your link, you get commission for that. To be able to withdraw from this app, you have to get to the minimum withdrawal of $15. And for you to withdraw, you have to click on redeem, which will take you to the withdrawal page. The withdrawal method is PayPal. So for you to withdraw, you have to fill in your PayPal email, and the minimum withdrawal, like I said, is $15. So if you get to $15, you can place a withdrawal and receive your money. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more, and you can also drop a comment would love to see them. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.